Hello everyone. Some of you have asked about the workshop size and staffing required for a large insulating glass production line. The currently popular 2.8 meters 6 meters production line on the market has two machine options. The high-speed and high-efficiency model is approximately 56 meters long, and the model that allows direct aluminum spacer positioning after washing is 47-48 meters long. It is recommended that the workshops be about 70 meters long and over 10 meters wide for better machine adaptation and easier operation. In terms of staffing, customer cases show that a total of 10 to 15 people are needed. Only 4 to 5 people are required to operate the production line itself, and with additional staff for loading, office work, etc., around 15 people are fully sufficient to support the entire production process.